So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of October 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Litecoin today. I want to try to figure out if this particular cryptocurrency is going to continue to break out. You guys can see that we initially started this breakout in Litecoin all the way back here on October the 19th, to which before that we was anticipating that Litecoin was weak and that price was going to go lower. We had our two targets. The first one was at 60. The second was going to be all the way down here at the low that occurred in September, which was at around like $58.25. The market found buyers at $60, and that is where this breakout currently started. Okay, so now, yes, the market in Litecoin is bullish. You also can tell that Litecoin currently is trying to hold this market support around 67.50. That is the catalyst right there that we're waiting to see happen. If those buyers in the market in Litecoin continues to hold this area like they've been doing the last couple of days, then that tells us that the market is not finished with being bullish. So we're going to try to figure that out over the last couple of hours. Take a look at a smaller time frame over the last couple of days to see if those buyers are still in there working to keep the market in Litecoin from actually falling any further, because we don't want to see the market in Litecoin come all the way back down below this area, because that would definitely tell us that those buyers are no longer there. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean up this chart. Congratulations to those who was able to get that profit at around 60. That was around 4.89% there. Market currently is no longer trending down, so we don't need to keep that downtrend line in the market here. And what we're going to do with this line here at the bottom is we're going to use it to show you the next area of selling. This is where the biggest selling pressure occurred into the market in Litecoin. So this would be another hurdle in the market for the buyers if they continue to hold price down here currently around 67.50. Okay, let's go ahead and follow the trend as well into the market in Litecoin. And you can see even for today, it's going to be important for us to notice how the market closes in Litecoin right here. Okay, we're already testing this trend line into the market in Litecoin. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Market actually bounced off the trend line on the 7-hour time frame. Sad part is that those buyers did not show up. You guys can see it. They're not here. Price is still going lower. They bounced off of this 7-hour price bar, but since then, look, we're still going down. So it's kind of telling that those buyers are not really incentivized to continue to come in and buy the market. Here it is on the 5-hour. Take a look at Litecoin on the 3. We're just simply trying to find the buyers. Okay, and you can see it here on the 1-hour chart. Right here, the market has given us this weakness bar to the downside, and then immediately the next one we went back up. The market went down on this 1-hour price bar, very widespread, closed on the low, but then immediately the market came right back up. So they're in there. The sad part is that we're not making higher highs or higher lows into the market. We're still trending. We're going lower. Those buyers really need to show up. Litecoin on 330-minute chart. Okay, take a look at this on the 2-day time frame. 13 hours and 11 minutes left. Again, you can see how the market is getting walloped with selling pressure right now. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Litecoin on the 5. See, both these two time frames, the 3-day time frame as well as the 5, we have 13 hours and 10 minutes. So it's going to be apparent, it's going to be important to see how these price bar prints. Okay, currently we all can acknowledge that the market currently is weak in Litecoin, and we really wanted to see the market at the conclusion of the 3-day time frame as well as on the 5 to close up here at the high of the bar. We're all the way down here towards mid bar to the bottom, and that is not a good thing for us to actually see if we're trying to see the market in Litecoin maintain its breakout. Okay, so let me do this. Hit this back on the daily time frame, and again I'm going to draw back this area that we want to see the market in Litecoin come through and actually hold. So it's going to be around like 68.50, even all the way down here into the market in Litecoin that we want to see price hold. So I'm going to bring it down here. Now, okay, given all the information that I've said so far, where do you think the price is going to go now? Do you think that Litecoin is maintain its breakout, or do you think we're going to continue to trend down lower? Or should we wait until the 3-day time frame and the 5-day time frame price bar prints? to get more information than what we currently have off the charts now. Because I'm kind of leaning more towards Litecoin going lower in price. But then those buyers that I've shown you on the 1 hour chart, they're still there buying too. So when you get this indecision, you want to just simply sit back and relax and let the market work out the kinks until it actually gives you a definitive, yeah, we're looking at these buyers. They're still there. They're working hard at it. They're really buying up whoever is selling their Litecoin into the market. That's when you want to come in and participate. Okay, because we really haven't seen the complete answer that those buyers are still there. Now we can see it on the daily time frame because all of these daily price bars is simply telling us that they're not letting the price go down. Okay. So let me do this. We're going to look for Litecoin to go higher in price. Okay. Now, I really want to see how the 3-day time frame as well as the 5-day time frame ends before I actually become more bullish or a little bit more bearish. Okay, so these targets are not going to be wide, but seeing how price and buyers has been holding the market in Litecoin, this is going to be our first target right there, maybe around $70.70, 3.99% there. Second target is going to be at the previous high that occurred on the 24th of October, $73, 7.34%. Okay. Market support needs to occur, I would say, in or around $61.42. That would be a 9.66% loss if the market in Litecoin completely crashes below that area. Okay. So that's it. Let's just see how the market plays out. I really want to see that market hold 67.25, 67.50. If that happens, then the idea that we currently have on the chart is definitely still panning out correctly. If it doesn't, we already know the reason why. The buyers left. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. I'm actually finished. Give me your targets. Give me, what do you think the price is about to do in Litecoin, or should we wait? What would you do? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.